Interesting. What we had a guest a few weeks ago, David Quaid, who was talking about GEO and versus SEO and some of the myths out there. Sounds like you two are very much in agreement that just some of the basic things that one needs to do in general for your content to be meaningful and discoverable outside of your organization's walls um, is the same stuff that you need to do to be ready for AI. Would you say that's fair?
It's very fair. And that's what I think is so interesting and why I brought up that 2008 map comment, right? Because while we're in a different era of tech, it's so interesting to me that the best practices honestly have not changed. Like the fundamentals remain the fundamentals, right? Like you need to have a content inventory. You need to understand what you do and don't have to support different journey and go to market scenarios. You need to use data to validate those assumptions, like real first party engagement data to validate those assumptions. You need to be able to connect and understand the touch points that happen across journeys. None of that's changed. The metadata, and how many times have I used the words metadata and taxonomy over the last decade, right? Like that has not changed. Um, and again, it's just when these new like inflection points happen in tech, all it does is further expose that the fundamentals were never addressed, right? So it's just we're here again, but now the stakes, and I don't mean to sound dramatic saying that, but the stakes are higher than ever because this is not like map. AI is not like map. It's going to be much faster. The trajectory is going to be much more of a hockey stick. We have to move much faster as marketers to stay relevant as marketers than ever before. And the content piece is going to be critical to that. And the content as data is going to be critical to that. So I see with our customers, the ones who are more mature in their content ops are moving much more quickly in terms of their ability to scale, adopt, and scale AI.